In this video, I'll show you how to create a webinar funnel. Start by choosing a webinar platform such as Zoom, Webinar Jam, or another webinar tool. Create your webinar and set the date, time, and registration details. Next, build a registration page where visitors can sign up for the webinar. Include a compelling headline, a brief description of what attendees will learn, and a registration form to collect their contact information. After that, create a thank you page that appears after registration. Use this page to confirm the webinar details and encourage attendees to add the event to their calendar. Now set up automated email reminders. Send a confirmation email immediately after registration, followed by reminder emails leading up to the webinar. These reminders help increase attendance rates. Next, prepare your webinar presentation. Focus on delivering valuable content while naturally introducing your product, service, or offer. Toward the end of the webinar, present a clear call to action for attendees who want to take the next step. After the webinar, create a follow-up sequence. Send a replay to people who registered but didn't attend, and send additional emails that reinforce the value of your offer and address common questions. Now track your funnel performance. Monitor registration rates, attendance rates, webinar engagement, and conversions so you can identify areas for improvement. Finally, continue testing and optimizing your registration page, emails, and webinar presentation to improve results over time. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a webinar funnel. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.